Thanks for choosing CHISON ECO6. Now we are going to give you an operation training. Press the power button, hold it for a moment, and the keyboard will light up. First, press Patient button here to create a new patient archive. Then complete the basic information, press OK. Press the Probe button to go back to the probe selection screen. Here are all the exams that are available. Roll the chalkboard to select the right probe and the preset. Then click the Enter button to confirm. In B mode, 4 kinds of parameters are the most important. They are gain, depth, focus, and frequency. Firstly, gain control consists of total gain and TGC. To adjust the total gain, rotate the gain button to decrease or increase. Make sure the image is not too bright or too dark. TGC, from top to bottom, it has 8 selections. It can change the gain of different depths. This is a multifunctional key. Press to switch to depth or focus. Rotate to change the different depths or focus position. Here we have the shortcut keys. The parameters at the bottom of the monitor can be adjusted by those keys at the top of the keyboard. For example, you can change the frequency here. Also, we have some other parameters. Press the menu button, they will show up. Press this key to exit. Here is AIO. Press the button and it will show you the best optimized image automatically. Here we have a full screen option. Press again to go back. Here this area is for measurement. Distance is for simple distance measurement. Trains can do the simple trains. Here is the complete calculation package. For example, you can measure the thickness of intima. Press the change key to change the package. For example, this is for urology. The results can be moved, and the size can be changed. Here is the comment button. Rotate the menu key to select, and press the menu key to enter. We also have the quick comment. It has 6 frequently used comments. Press the signal key to select. Use the first key to input. Here is the body mark. Press the corresponding button to put. Move the chalkboard to change the position of arrow. Rotate the angle button to change the direction. Press the Enter key to confirm. Then you can use the chalkboard to move the body mark position. Press the body mark again to turn it off. This key is to save still image. Another key is to save movie, and they will display at the below area. You can use the cursor to record the image. Press Clear key to delete the wrong measurements and comments. Let's move to color mode. In color mode, interesting box, color gain, and PRF are frequently used. Press Enter key once and move the trackball. We can change the size of interesting box. Press Enter key again, it will be fixed. You can use the chalkboard to change the position of the box. Rotate the gain key to adjust the color gain, and reach the color gain to a reasonable level so that the blood flow will not overflow the vessel or disappear from the vessel. Press these two keys to adjust the PRF to make blood flow display appropriately. Press the menu key to open the BBC mode. It can show the 2D image and the blood flow at the same time. Press again to turn it off. Press key D to enter into PW mode. Use the Enter key and the chalkboard to change the size of sample gate. Rotate the angle key to change the Doppler angle. Then press Update. Rotate the gain key to adjust the total spectrum brightness. Press these two keys to change the baseline. Press triplex key to open triplex function. It shows the B, C, and the PW in real time. Press again to turn it off. Now, let's select the phased array probe, and I will start by doing tissue Doppler. TDI is simply done by pressing here, and use the chalkboard to change the position. Enter to change the size. Press D button, you will get the spectrum. For the CW continuous wave Doppler, you have to start with PW first, then push down CW button and the CW spectrum shows up. Now going into M mode, you will get your reference line here. The motion information shows up. Press Report key. The system will show us a report. Here we can input diagnose conclusions and add the images you have saved. You can print the export or export it to your U-disk here. When the exam is done, you can press this key to review the images from the study. In Archive, you can see all the exams you have done. If you want to export it to the USB, first plug the U-disk to the system until it is recognized, then select the exam. Click this item to send it to your U-disk. Select image and movie formats. Press Export. This item here indicates that images are being exported. Now you can see it is finished. Here you can back up the exam. And in another system, choose the data source and restore easily. Press System Setting key. For the setting that's studied on General, you have your own department, the image format, and other settings. It is worth mentioning that you can change the language without restarting the system. It is quite convenient. Here you can see the information of all your printers. Here you can set up custom measurements. In general, you can modify the unit, follicle method, and the heart rate circle. In configuration, you can add or remove them from the menu. In OB table, you can change the OB formulas here. When you search for comment, you have your comment library here. You can add or remove the comment. And the body marks works very much the same way. In exam mode, you can select the different applications, add or remove them from the library. Here you can export the configuration to your U-disk and import it in another system. You can also restore it. In report, you can change the layout and the diagnostic template. For DICOM setup, this is a very complicated procedure, but on this system it is very convenient. In general, before you do a DICOM, there are many things that you must do, and you have to do the network first. All the settings about DICOM and network, you have to communicate with your IT persons. In the system settings, you can see your software version and just one key to update. Here, you can see all the functions of the system. That's all the training of our CHISON ECO6. Thanks for watching.